Hey there, I'm Lewis and I'm a product manager at zeroheight. And in this pretty short video, I'm going to show you how you can use your component set to help you make decisions about what to do next to improve your design system. Now this video assumes that you've already created your component set and maybe spent a minute or two making sure that it's an accurate representation of your design system components. But if you have any questions on those two steps, then check out the previous two videos. So in this video, we're going to walk through how you can use a component set to generate tasks, next steps to improve the design system, as well as maybe generating one or two insights about the state of your design system. So let's dive in. So super quickly, I can see that I need to create documentation for 5 components. So 5 components are missing documentation. I could right away create a Jira issue or something like that to create documentation for the modal component, the pie chart component, radio, slider, and switch. I can do the same thing and I can see what's missing on the design side. So I can see that there's just one item, there's just one component, the lightbox component, that appears to be not present in my Figma file. So I can create a task to plug that gap. And lastly, I can see that I've got, 4 items that are missing from Storybook. So again, maybe this is a case of creating Jira issues to put into an upcoming sprint to create Storybook components for these 4 design system components. Now, however you manage your design system tasks, you now have visibility into your design system that potentially you didn't have before you started using the component set feature. Now, something else that you might like to use the component set feature for is to generate some top level stats or some insights about your design system. So in this example, I can see that I've got 15 components in my design system. That might be an interesting metric to track over time. And then within those 15 components, I can break that down further. So if I now select all of the components in my component set and then deselect any that have a missing item, I can see that there are 9 items in my component set that have a link to documentation, design, and Storybook. And again, maybe that number, 9 out of 15, is a number that you want to track over time as a way of measuring the quality or completeness of your design system. And then similarly, you could break that down further and to track over time how many items in my component set are missing in documentation. Right now it's 5, but we can track over time how that number changes. Yeah, and that wraps us up. Those are just a couple of ways that you might use the component set feature to learn more about the status of your components in your design system overall. Hope you find it useful.